Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel a trip on Uber. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are using our Uber application. And now from here, all you have to do is once you click on Ride with Uber, and then select whatever destination that you might like. From here, all you have to do is choose a taxi. And then once you do that, it's going to select for whatever destination you would like. And once you click on confirm, then it's going to confirm your ride. And now from here, you have to make sure that you cancel it in the first few moments after your ride has been confirmed. So from here, right here, we can either cancel it immediately. So click on three dots and then you click on the cancel ride, or once it finds the driver. Once it finds the driver, you can do the exact same thing where you just click on the cancel and then click on cancel ride. And then you can just justify it with whatever you would like. And then from here, you're going to click it and then make sure that you double cancel. And now from here, as you can see, the ride has been canceled. Just make sure that you do it as early as possible to change your mind. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.